I was doing some e-commerce research this morning and I stumbled upon a giant market that I simply did not know was this big. And I found the market through this specific Shopify store that I'm about to show you. And what they're doing is absolutely genius. They're positioned very well in this market and they've been absolutely blowing up in traffic. So anytime when I'm doing research that I find a store that has this sort of exploding traffic distribution right here, as you see in this graph, it instantly intrigues me. It just tells me they're doing something right in order to grow to this extent. Now, the market itself, I'm going to share a lot of really insightful things in this video. Hopefully they're insightful to you. They're definitely intriguing and insightful to me, especially since I have a bunch of businesses in e-commerce. But as you see, the market I'm talking about is the Ayurveda market. Okay. Now this is basically like how do you describe it? I guess it's like home remedies or natural medicine, right? So let me see. Sorry, I got my cat right here, so she's kind of making it difficult to type. So let me just type right here super quick. Ayurveda definition. Yeah, I'm just curious. What even is it? The traditional Hindu system of medicine, which is based on the idea of balance in bodily systems and uses diet, herbal treatment, and yogic breathing. Very interesting. So it's a Hindu system of medicine. Now, guess what? This store actually is primarily getting visitors from India. 90% of the traffic here is from India, but their revenue is pretty massive, right? They're doing probably over $2 million a month now, and that's super impressive. But what's crazy though is that this market is actually spreading throughout the entire world. In fact, 450,000 people every single month are looking up Ayurvedic, which could really be a variety of different things. You could have Ayurvedic juices like they do, supplements, courses, right? Maybe like ways of living. I've spotted so many interesting recently affiliate funnels actually of people running meta ads to quiz funnels, for example, for Tai Chi. That's a really big one recently. And just all these like sort of ancient medicinal practices, they're making a huge comeback right now. A lot of people are very interested in health, but not necessarily the traditional, or I guess not traditional, but the new age medicine. They kind of want to go back to the old times. And that's exactly where this brand is positioned. Now, I will say this store is not an overnight success. I believe that they started back in 2007. In fact, I just watched this quick minute long video. The guy started this, the founder started this in 2007 with like no money, and now has just consistently grown to this extent. But what I find really interesting is that they do follow this same Shopify template that I follow, that all my students follow, that all the successful people I talk to, all our clients follow, which is basically just a very simple layout where the above the fold section of the store is the most valuable real estate and the most important, highly emphasized section of the store. So you see they have a starter pack, which is just 1,000 milliliter bottle, or you can get 2 for a little bit of a discount, or you can get 3 for an extra discount. It's actually a very small discount, but nevertheless, they do give you a discount if you order more, but it's literally just like a few cents or $1, which is kind of interesting. Now, this is a beautiful layout. I think this is just so perfectly done. Everything is exactly where it needs to be, and it's all very well formatted. You see, like, you just have to scroll a little bit to see the offer, but you can basically scroll through the images to understand the product and every single good thing about it. And this is actually one of the things that I notice with clients or students is like a lot of times they really don't have great product images, or they have studio product images with just like a white studio background, which they think that's what you need to have, right? It's like you need to have a studio level production, but you literally don't. You just need to have your images just need to tell a story. They need to explain your product pretty much in simple terms, so that if somebody just looks at your images, they should be able to understand everything they need to in order to make a buying decision. Now, I love that about this. First of all, I just think this simple layout is so satisfying to me. It's just really simple, and I love that. And it's just cool to see these bigger brands using it. So as you see, when you scroll down a little bit, they give you the top benefits very quickly. So manages blood sugar, boosts metabolism and improves digestion, stimulates insulin secretion, helps manage weight. So each one of these different benefits can be an angle in itself. And we're going to look actually at some of their meta ads here as well and see if we can identify these angles in real time. And then they talk about the benefits of the ingredients. So this actually creates a lot of trust because people then know like exactly what the ingredients are and the benefits behind them. So you can see this product has, and they're pretty honest about it not being FDA approved, which is a lot of people have that concern, and they clearly don't have that concern. But they say clinically proven diabetic care juice for managing blood sugar levels effectively reduce 40% of blood sugar in 3 months. So this is really one of the main issues that this solves right here, this specific product. I found this product, and that's why I'm reviewing this product, because I just saw this and I was like, whoa, this is interesting. But yeah, that's the big issue, diabetic care. Huge, massive niche, right? But of course, that's the cool thing about this market is you can just sell a variety of different products. You can always be ahead of the curve by adding new products to your store. So these are beautiful. I love these images. You could recreate these kind of images these days with AI. It's super cool. So, even if you, even if you were just starting and you don't have a big budget, you can create this level of branding experience from the get-go these days on Shopify. It's pretty incredible. So yeah, more benefits, a lot of pictures, frequently asked questions, and then a really nice video here. And of course, then the reviews. So super solid landing page. And then they have more related products at the bottom, which is what I just mentioned. Having more products is a really good idea. Cholesterol care. So apparently there's Ayurvedic medicine that can help with cholesterol balance. That's pretty interesting. So, this is all these things, by the way. The cool thing about this niche is that you could, in theory, set up manufacturing in the US for something like this, because it doesn't seem like the ingredients are all that complicated. So you could start small and build it up into something big. That would be cool. I would invest in somebody attempting a Shopify startup with manufacturing involved for Ayurvedic medicine. That would be pretty cool, but it would have to be somebody very serious about the topic, because as always, when you're selling consumables or ingestibles, things that people put into their body, I think you have to have an extra level of care with the products that you sell, just so that you don't accidentally kill somebody pretty much and go to jail. But yeah, let's look at the ads. So we can see the longest standing ads. This is a small little golden nugget tip that I can give you, is always when you are looking at the ads of a brand, which by the way, you can do in the Facebook ad library. Sure, I found this in the Shopee Lab Discovery tab. I was just browsing, looking for a brand to review and to study. I try to do that every day. I think it's just good practice, and honestly, it just helps me make content too. But on the Meta Ads library, which is absolutely free, you can just Google it. You can look up any brand, and Meta is legally required to show you their paid ads, so the ads that they're running right now. And one of the smartest things you can do is just go to their longest running ads, because those are the ones that are most likely performing well still. Otherwise, they would likely turn them off. Of course, sometimes you leave ads on an accident, maybe at the campaign level. But generally speaking, if somebody has an active ad for several months, it's because that ad is yielding some sort of result or return on the ad spend that they're spending. So in any case, this is one of their longest running ads. Take control of your cholesterol with Krisha Ayurveda's cholesterol care juice. So it's the product that I just highlighted. Formulated with premium herbs, this juice helps keep cholesterol levels in check and promotes heart wellness. Regulates cholesterol, enhances cardiovascular health, natural and effective. Don't just take our word for it. See what our users have to say and get yours now. I really like that. The users language makes it feel like a startup. And that's the cool thing about these niches, though, the consumables, is that it's sort of like a software business in that you get the recurring component of like a customer can be a recurring customer. I think they're not pushing subscriptions, which they absolutely should push that as an option, right? Like they don't need to make it the default if they don't want to, if they have some sort of moral dilemma with that. Although a lot of people in the US don't have a moral dilemma with that, and they run up subscriptions like crazy, even some very popular brands. But they should at the very least allow that as an option. It's just smart business practice in my opinion. But that's a great ad. I really like the formatting of the ad copy. It's clean, it's simple, and it just tells you exactly what you need to know. Take control of your cholesterol. Like that's the issue that people have. It's like they Their cholesterol is out of control, straight up. Here's another really nice static ad. And I love when I find ads from brands where their longest running ads are actually static ads, because static ads are easier than ever to produce. And I think a lot of people don't test their product ideas and brand ideas because they think they need video ads, and they are just intimidated by the idea of either creating video ads or editing video ads or ripping video ads from TikTok. So this just is the perfect solution. Just ignore video completely and just run static ads. Believe it or not, well, you should believe it because we're looking at it. They convert, they work. And I'm seeing that as well in our accelerator in Shopee Lab. Some of our members are just launching static ads, but with the right positioning, with the right ad copy, and the right product selection and market and mass desire. So then they're able to make it work pretty quickly, even with just static ads. But this is the other static ad. Start your journey towards a healthy heart. So they got the cholesterol control product, and then this is another cholesterol control product. I guess it's actually the same one, but it's just a different, it's kind of the same ad copy actually. It's exactly the same ad copy, but just a different image. And you know what? This is actually a perfect example of how I like to test meta ads too. If I launch a brand, this is exactly how I launch. I just make different static images or videos, but I use the same ad copy. And the reason I like to do that, even though a lot of people don't advise it, is because at the very beginning, you're spending very little on Meta, and you want the spend to be more concentrated if possible. So if you're creating, let's say, 3 different variations of ad copy and 3 different static image variations, that's 3 times 3, right? That's 9 different variations. So if you're spending $50 a day, now you're spending on 9 different variations. And sure, Meta will allocate that budget properly, but it's still going to spend, some straggler dollars, like $5 on one combination that's not good, or, $6, $7. And at that budget, that adds up a lot. So at the beginning, I'm a big believer that the most important thing, the thing that actually moves the needle the most, is the creative itself, not the ad copy. The ad copy is important, but at first, just test, in my opinion, you should really just test your ad itself, your ad creative, whether it's videos or statics. So instead of launching 9 different variations where it's 3 different static ads and 3 different ad copies, I would just make 1 ad copy and 6 different static ad variations, because that's going to move the needle a lot more, and you're going to get more concentrated spend on the right creatives. Then they do have a lot of videos, so they have a really clean layering, honestly, of statics, videos, and then just top of funnel ads. They're launching some AI creatives, as you see, rooted in herbs, crafted to support your cycle naturally. At Akemi, we're making static ads like this literally like every single day. Static ads like this. We love making these. Akemi, if you don't know, is my agency and AI lab. So we are actually making a lot of AI content systems for brands, and it's super cool. It's actually such an exciting thing, because we're able to produce super awesome ad creatives just like this, and also do very deep research and offer research for the brands so that we can make the AI content relevant to the research. So it's super cool, and it's actually very affordable. So if you're interested in services like that, do contact thechemilab.com and talk to my team about getting AI creative systems set up for your brand. But all in all, I wanted to just showcase this because it's a huge market. There's tons of demand in the Ayurvedic medicine market, and there's a lot of products. I don't even really know that much about this market, but the more I explore it, the more I am intrigued by it and interested in it even. So anybody out there with brands in this category, do hit me up. Do join our Discord. We have a free Discord where, you can actually just join. I'm just going to pull this up because I'm going to make a TikTok about this, but I'll just show you how you join the Discord. You just go to shopify.ai, you go to the bottom, and you join the Discord here. It's free. The platform itself is also free, so you can go in there, chat with me, chat with some of our other entrepreneur members in there. It's a lot of fun, and we're trying to just create as much value as possible together. But with that said, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.